You ask an AI agent to summarize a fictional invoice. Seconds later, the audit log says you approved a payment change. But you never did. A shared token erased the difference between the user, the agent, and the tool. In this safe local simulation, we will rebuild that identity chain so every action answers who acted, for whom, under which authority, and why. By the end, you will recognize the identity confusion that makes agent incidents hard to stop and harder to investigate. Then you will see a practical pattern, a unique agent identity, narrowly delegated authority, short-lived credentials, transaction policy, and an audit trail that preserves both the human and machine actor. The useful analogy is a power of attorney. A representative may act for you, but does not become you. The document names the representative, defines the permitted purpose, and can expire or be revoked. An AI agent needs the digital equivalent. Copying a user token into an agent is more like handing over an identity card with no record of the delegation. A production request crosses several identities. The human starts a session. An agent workload plans a task. A tool performs an operation. A downstream resource enforces access. Each link needs a stable identifier and correlation ID. If one shared service account represents the entire chain, authorization becomes coarse and attribution becomes guesswork. Our local lab uses a fictional accounts-payable agent. The data is synthetic JSON. The read tool can retrieve invoice status. A simulated write tool can change a payment destination. Nothing touches a bank, cloud account, email system, or real person. The initial design uses one broad token named Finance Automation for every user and every action. The user request is simple. Summarize invoice INV 1042. The policy should allow one read. Instead, the agent inherits a token that also permits edits across every invoice. The capability exceeds the task. That difference matters because an agent can make a bad plan, misunderstand data, or be influenced by untrusted content without stealing a credential. At the simulated payment API, the caller is only finance automation. The resource cannot tell which user initiated the session, which agent instance chose the tool, or whether a write belongs to the approved task. Authentication succeeded, but the identity context collapsed. This is the identity confusion at the center of the incident. The write request has a valid token and valid fields. It still violates the user's instruction. This is why agent security cannot end at authentication. Authorization must evaluate the exact action, resource, purpose, delegation, and current risk. The model may propose an operation. It cannot grant itself authority. The first correction assigns a unique workload identity to the agent instance. The human remains the delegating principal. The token records both relationships instead of impersonating the user. The agent identity has its own lifecycle, can be monitored separately, and can be revoked without disabling the user's account. Next, the gateway exchanges the session context for a short-lived delegation token. It permits invoice.read on INV 1042 only. The audience is the local invoice service. The purpose is review, and expiration is measured in minutes. No reusable user credential enters the prompt, memory, or tool arguments. A transaction policy sits immediately before the side effect. Reads that match the delegation continue. Any write requires a separate capability and exact approval showing the object, changed fields, destination, and reason. A stale or vague confirmation is rejected. Missing identity context also fails closed. Now replay the same mistaken plan. The invoice read succeeds. The destination change fails because the delegated action is read, not write. The audit event preserves the human principal, agent identity, tool, resource, task ID, policy version, decision, and approval reference. Sensitive values are redacted. We can explain both the legitimate work and the blocked action. Agent identities should appear in the same inventory discipline as other workloads, with owners, creation time, scopes, credentials, tools, and last use. Alert on new resources, unusual action rates, delegation failures, and privilege changes. Rotate credentials and remove idle identities. Practice revoking one agent without breaking every automation. Pick one AI agent and inspect a sensitive tool call. Can the resource distinguish the human from the agent? Is authority limited to the task, resource, action, and time? Can you revoke the agent independently? Does the audit record preserve the entire chain? If any answer is no, fix the identity path before adding more autonomy. The complete checklist is on CipherVibe.